Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal don't dismiss PDP and their candidate Asue Ighodalo's petition where they take challenge the victory of Governor Okpebholo of APC. As Justice Kpochi, wey be chairman of the three-man panel, delivered the judgment, he talks say PDP no bring better evidence to back up their claim wey say the election not follow Electoral Act. Tribunal court talk say PDP case get big wahala sake of say they no fit bring strong weaknesses like polling unit officers, presiding officers or even voters wey go fit confirm say any election mago happen. Dem still talk say the 19 weaknesses wey PDP bring na just people wey hear dem say gist, say dem no get direct evidence and law no go accept that kind talk. Tribunal con still blast PDP say dem carry plenty documents come based on section 137 of the Electoral Act, but dem no arrange am well or analyze am before dem submit am. Dem come also talk say for person to prove say overvoting happen, im go need voters register, beavers machine record and polling unit results wey be from EC8A joined together. Tribunal still knack PDP say the beavers report wey dem submit no get better analysis or confirmation, so e no fit prove say any mago happen, and say no be tribunal work to dey decode dump documents or extract data from the beavers machines wey PDP bring come. Na sake of all dis wahala, tribunal come unanimously dismiss the petition, say e no get weight and come confirm say Governor Okpebholo win the election fair and square. Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idausa wey show face for court for im talk with Tori pipo con hail the judiciary, say dem don confirm wetin Edo pipo choose. While APC State Chairman Emperor Jared Tinebe for im part come beg everybody to join hands support the government make the state move forward.
The judiciary is the hope of the common man. I want to thank God Almighty that made this possible. We also want to thank the good people of Edo who voted for us. This is not a news to us, because Edo people have spoken before. The court has just reaffirmed what Edo people voted for. So we want to thank God, we want to thank the people of Edo. And I also want to congratulate my principal, the executive governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
It's victory for the great people of Edo State, because it's not a victory for Monday Okpebholo, it's victory for Edo State because Monday Okpebholo is the governor of Edo State. He was elected by Edo people. And we are using this opportunity to call on everybody in the state to come together at this point so that we can move the state forward. There are a lot of things, a lot of challenges in the state. We are calling on everybody, because this is victory for everybody in the entire state, for them to come together so that we can move the state forward.
APC lead counsel Asue SAN for in talk with Tori pipo come chook mouth on top the rumours wey fly say the judgment of the tribunal don leak and say make people no try spoil judiciary name, say na justice dem uphold. APC legal adviser Stephen Okuro and the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Honorable Samson Osaige come also chook mouth on how dem see the judgment.
Justice itself in Nigeria. I'm sure you must have heard yesterday when the airwaves were quite rife on rumor about leaked judgments. Now, that was why I'm actually granting this interview, because I came here and I would have been surprised if what they rumored turned out to be true. It's unfortunate that when you read those so-called leaked judgments, they were written by lawyers. So it appears that there are lawyers who are out there to tear down the judiciary. If we destroy our judiciary, then we have nothing. Not just in election matters, but generally. If we question the credibility of the judiciary and tear it down, then the country is actually finished. Now, with respect to the judgments delivered had absolutely nothing, no semblance whatsoever with all the documents that were circulating yesterday. So it is really kudos to the judiciary, number one, and then especially congratulations to the learned judges of the tribunal. There are 3 stages of the process. This is only the first stage, but we are quite happy on behalf of our client, the governor, that at least we have emerged victorious at this stage.
That's why today is the judgment of AA against APC and the governor. Today is the judgment of Accord Party against APC and the governor. Then why today also is the judgment of PDP, Asue Ighodalo against APC and the governor. Where we are happy that all the 3 petitions we won all. We have come to appreciate the people of Edo State. We have come to appreciate the governor. We have come to appreciate the APC family for their resilience. They were with us and they never slacked at any time. We thank God for it.
We are happy. The Tribunal has dismissed petition of the PDP as lacking in merit. In fact, the Tribunal said they didn't have any witness. The Tribunal said they did not prove their case. And we were sure from the very beginning that Governor Okpebholo won the election in Edo State, and that Edo people gave him the mandate, and he has not supported Edo. This is victory for Edo people. This is victory for democracy, and we have confidence in the judiciary in delivering justice. We are so excited, and Edo people are very excited.
One of the petitioner's lawyers, Sef, also yearned to read people how them see the judgment and said them they wait for their clients to tell them what to do next.
Oh, well, we brought the case of the injustice done to our clients to the court, and the court has listened to the case. The tribunal has given its reasoning. Our clients have shown that they are not satisfied, so we wait for further instructions.
For another ruling, Tribunal also dismissed Accord Party AP and their candidate Bright and Abulele petition, say them not bring strong evidence, say they not fit show polling units where problem shele or who do ballot stuffing and voters intimidation. Tribunal Costi talk say the petition contradicts itself, sake of say they want cancel the election, yet them still they ask make them declare them winner. Action Alliance AA and their candidate Adenkule Rufai Omoaje own petition self don't follow waka as Tribunal also dismiss them. With all these rulings, all the court wahala wey dem carry come against Governor Okpebholo election don't finish, and Okpebholo's victory don't stand gidigba wey confirm say na him be the duly elected governor of Edo State. For one statement on top the tribunal judgment wey dey signed by the People's Democratic Party's candidate Asue Ighodalo, e tok say dem go remain resolute, remain committed, and dem no go shake for their pursuit of truth and justice. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojisoli, TMC News.